Adele being Jamaican and having trained in MVP, I've been getting the drama from Jamaica in camps for at least 5 years now.
Welcome guys to yet another video. If this is your first time, kindly consider subscribing. To my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Sorry for the backdrop. What you're seeing behind is not paraphernalia, but those are just clothes. In today's video, guys, there's a lot that has been happening. And as you know, the Olympics that will be held in Paris is just around the corner. Like just a matter of a few weeks remaining, like 2 or 3 weeks to the Olympics. Recently, Kishen Thompson has been really working on his start. He's working to get some explosive starts from the block. There's a video that has been trending of him working, and you know, he's being coached by the great Stephen Francis, his coach, who is the same coach with Elaine Thompson. Kishen Thompson is really working hard to actually lower his time from 9.77 to down, and the fastest time that has been set in history is by Usain Bolt. That was 9.58. So he's working hard to get closer to that or break the record. And as one person once said that no human is limited. You can be here today thinking that you cannot break that record, but that record is able to be broken. Records are there to be broken, and they are there to be broken by humans. Most of the sprinters are actually peaking in time. We have just recently on 14th July 2024, that was on Sunday, there's one sprinter from South Africa known as Brother Benjamin Richardson. He ran 100 meters. It was a meeting in Switzerland, and he ran 100 meters in 9.86. That is actually the best of his time. And you know, he's in his 20s. It was an improvement of around 0.22 seconds. This shows that there are a number of sprinters who are really promising. They are showing great signs, even though there are people saying that he ran in 3,000 feet above sea level, and with a wind aided of 1.9 plus 1.9. So some are saying that in case he gets to run in a lowland somewhere around 100 to 500 above sea level, he won't attain the 9.86 mark, or rather seconds, 9.86 seconds. They say that if he gets to a different altitude, he might get around 10 seconds. All in all, we are wishing them the best. And then recently there's just some the whole of this week we have been served with drama from US sprinter and his girlfriend, or his wife, the US sprinter Noah Lyles and his wife Junelle Bronfield.
There's a lot of times where I make references to Jamaicans. I'm not saying it because I'm like trying to go back and forth. It's because I know information that other people don't.
You know, Junelle Bronfield, she's a Jamaican, but she's married. I'm not sure whether they are married or they are courting, or there's a drama that Noah Lyles went to one of the podcasts. I think it is a YouTube podcast known as Track World News. And in that podcast, she spilled the beans, which made most Jamaicans to be enraged with him. And at this point, many are really wondering how he got to to spill such kind of beans. He said that his girlfriend or wife, Junelle Bromfield, has been sharing inside information about Jamaican sprinters, and one of them being Kishan Thompson, about their injuries and how they are training. Since his wife was in one of the training clubs, that is MVP, and Jamaicans didn't welcome that move. They were so angry with him. They was telling him he should not be telling them his pillow talks. They say that pillow talks are good in relationship, but it's not good to spill whatever uh, you speak or talk to your partner in private and air it out in the public. They say don't wash your dirty linen in public. So that is what has been around. One of the questions that Jamaicans and other people are asking is, which side is Junelle supporting? Is she supporting her lover, or is she supporting Team Jamaica? And to be specific, Kishan Thompson and or the Jamaican team? And how are people going to view her? Bearing in mind she is a Jamaican and she is part of the Olympic team. Some people might view her as a traitor, as a snitcher, somebody who might tell the secrets of Jamaicans to the US and or other people. And another thing, even if she tells some of those secrets, you can see Jamaicans are still resilient. They are coming back. Like when Noah Lyles was, there's a clip where he was just informed about Kishan Thompson running a time of 9.82, and he was surprised. His comment was, hope he doesn't get injury, something of the sort, meaning he was be having some information. But even he gets or have all those information, Jamaicans will still surprise the world. Junelle Bromfield, you know how Jamaicans are started going hard on her. She had to disable or deactivate her Twitter account or X account, but later on posted on TikTok, and she was talking about the insults and saying that, telling the Jamaicans that the insults cannot be afford, cannot be, make her to afford, or cannot help her to afford a luxurious kind of life, something of the sort. I'll leave this picture here so that you can see what she posted. But all in all, I say the sprinters of Jamaica's and also in Africa, they are preparing towards the 2024 Olympics that will be held in Paris. Just a matter of days, and just a few days, or rather weeks, like 2 weeks. And kindly let's keep eyes on the prize, because I'm watching for Jamaica and Africa. If Jamaica wins, I'll be happy. If Africa takes most of the medals, I'll be more than happy. In Africa, you know, we have a lot of promising youngsters. Starting from here in Kenya, we have Ferdinand Omanyala, who was position 3 in the Racers Grand Prix, where Oblique Seville of Jamaica took position 1, and he defeated Noah Lyles. So the most important thing right now is to prepare, to have a good kind of mindset, stress free. You know, when you are stressful, you can't function at optimum level. when you're stressed, you can't function at optimum level. So we are hoping for the best and also wishing that no one gets some injury during the coming Olympics. So this has been the video for today. I say thank you so much for tuning in and for staying tuned. Always supporting me by watching my videos. And also, if you wish to stand with the channel, I have a donation link down here, and also some important links that you can support the channel through. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I don't take you for granted. And greetings to my Jamaican fans, Ayad and abroad in the UK, Canada, and the US. Cheers, guys. See you on my next video.